This is Tecno Spark 20 Pro, and today I will show how you can enable the bootloader on this device. So to start, you will need to switch your smartphone off by holding the side power button for about 3 seconds or so, and well, tap in at the power off option. Give me a sec here. Once the phone is powered off, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and side power buttons. Once you see the Tecno logo, let your finger off the power key but keep holding the volume up. Now once you see this interface right here, press and hold the side power button and tap at the volume up key once, just like so. And here's the recovery mode. From here, make sure that your phone is plugged in into your PC, obviously, and then select, using the volume rocker, select the reboot to bootloader option. Then, in order to confirm this action, tap at the power button, and now your system, your phone, will be restarted into the fast boot or bootloader mode. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.